Hello, this is Joel, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the project and the setup that Darshan and I have been working on. Basically, just to give an idea of what we would need to do come um, presentation day to get our project presented and in working order. So, our project um, consists of two sensors that are float switches and an actuator, which is a solenoid valve um, powered by the Arduino Uno. And what we're trying to do is maintain the water level in a reservoir um, between two thresholds. This would be a real life application of this would be like keeping the water level in a swimming pool constant or within those thresholds in spite of evaporation. Another example would be, say, refilling a household water tank from a municipal water supply automatically. Um, Basically, what we have a water source up here. It's just a food safe bucket of water that I've tinted blue just for the sake of this video. Um, and that is connected via some clear plastic tubing to our reservoir. And then from our reservoir, we have simulating the water usage or the evaporation. We have another tubing running down to another bucket, like a waste bucket. And that's just a valve on the end to control the flow coming out of there. So this whole system for our demonstration is gravity fed. It's just a siphon. There's no pump involved. Um, basically, the valve opens when the conditions are met, and the siphon pulls the water into the system. Um, let's just check to make sure our water level is changing there. It looks, yeah, it is. Just a little bit slow. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to open this up a bit just so we can see the water level changing faster. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, the top float is in the down position. The bottom float is still in the high position, but it's going to drop down to the low position. And when that happens, the relay should open the relay should close and the solenoid valve should open. So here we're getting ready to drop that float switch. All right, so maybe you heard that click. That was the relay making contact, and the water level is beginning to rise again. Just for the purposes of this video and in interest of your time, I am now going to shut this valve, the water usage valve or the evaporation valve, and we can see the things fill up more quickly. So you notice those white wires inside the reservoir. Those are for support only. They're just keeping the float valves in place. Also, there's a ring around the top holding the tubing in place. That has no electrical component to those wires. Okay, the level is continuing to come up. I'm going to show you the relay over here has an LED on it that is green when contact is made and the relay is closed. And then come back in time to hear that, see that raise. And so you heard the float, or you see the float rather at the top. Maybe you heard the relay click, and now we've got that off. So anyway, just a brief overview. That's the setup that we would like to use on presentation day. Thanks for watching.